So right now I have some couple of things for my setup here. We have our patient, quote unquote, Mr. Type It On here, since we don't have an actual person. We have our fluoride varnish right here along with the brush tip applicator. We have floss, and we also have gauze as well. Okay, so the first thing we do, like with any other procedure, is we're gonna tell our patient, hi, nice, hi, good morning, hope your day's going well. Maybe not say that, because maybe we don't want to hear about their day, as my teacher says. So, just a friendly introduction. And we tell them, okay, since this is apple flavored, we should ask them, is there any chance do you have an allergic reaction, or are you allergic to apple flavored things or apples? No? Okay. And if they are, well, we just get something else. Then we'd also to explain to them our procedure. We're like, okay, so today we're gonna apply a fluoride varnish on your teeth. It's like a vitamin for your teeth. It helps remineralize your teeth. It also is good for your enamel, and it prevents early cavities and decay and helps with all of that. So this is what we would do. We would first, of course, dry our patient's mouth with a little gauze here. Dry the teeth, just like so. Just dry them, making sure that it's all dry for when we apply the varnish. And then we would open up our varnish here. Open it up. So in here, put that to the side. We have our brush tip applicator and our varnish that we'll be applying. It looks a little funny because it's expired, but it's okay. We're using it on Type It On. I'm not gonna waste the good stuff on Type It On. So we first coat our brush tip just like this. And the most important thing we want to do is we want to get the gingival margin right here. We want to start right here in this little area. And we're gonna brush, and we're gonna go all the way up to the occlusal part and on the sides right here. Then we're gonna make sure that we get the lingual side as well. And brush the tip just like that. Then we would go ahead and do this all around the mouth, all around the oral cavity, just like that. And then a good tip for interior teeth, we would do the same. Right here, get right here, the gingival margin, go all the way up and get this little incisal part right here, and then the back where the lingual's at as well. Let me see, just like so. All right, and a good tip that you can do is you can get a little piece of floss and get those inner proximals. Well, I can't floss, but it's gonna be kind of hard to do it on camera, but we would floss right here. I'm just gonna show you one more time, and just so you know, before you go on to another tooth, you want to wipe your applicator each time before you dip your brush back into here and paint, quote unquote paint, but apply varnish. So when you need more, make sure that you wipe, because infection control, those things are important. And make sure also too, you have your mask and your goggles on as well. I forgot those things, but if this was a real person, that's very important to do. So thank you for watching my video.